Hi, welcome to another interesting episode in matrix simplification. This time we are looking at 3 by 3 matrix, okay, how to solve equations in it. Look at this. We are given a matrix to be 3, 0, 1, 5 minus 3, 1, 0, 4, 6. And we are given another matrix that is multiplying it 1 MR is equal to K2, 26. 3 by 3 matrix multiplying 3 by 1 matrix. And the answer is K2, 26. We are told to find KMR. First thing first, we are going to multiply this 3 by 3 matrix to this 3 by 1 matrix. Okay? We'll multiply row by column, row by column, row by column. So let's go there. If you are multiplying this matrix, 2, 0, 1, 5 minus 3, 1, 0, 4, 6 to another matrix of 1 MR. The answer is K2, 26. Okay? To multiply this is very, very simple. Row by column. 2 times 1, we have it to be equal to what? 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 0 times plus 0 times m, 0 times m, 1 times r, 1 times r. Okay? Then the next one is 5 times 1, 5 times 1, minus 3 times m, minus 3 times m. Okay? 1 times r plus 1 times r. We go to the next one. 0 times 1, 0 times 1, 4 times m, 4 times m, 6 times r plus 6 times r. Okay? Okay? So these are the solution, and it's equals to what? K 226. Okay? That's the answer. So the next thing we do is just to simplify the matrix. We'll go here. So what do we get? We have a new matrix of 2 times 1 is 2, 0 times m is 0, plus 0, 1 times r is r, 5 times 1 is 5, minus 3 times m is minus 3m, 1 times r is plus r. 0 times 1 is 0, 4 times m is 4m, 6 times r is 6r. And it's equals to K 226. Okay, now this can now be seen, this can now be reduced as equation because 2 plus 0 plus r is k. By comparing, 5 minus 3m plus r is 2, and 0 plus 4m plus 6r is 26. So we can now write it as, this implies that 2 plus r is equals to k, and 5 minus 3m plus r is equals to 2, and again 4m plus 6r is equals to 26. Okay, this is the new equation generated to be equation 1, second one equation 2, third one equation 3. So on solving, since we have these two coefficients, I can now do what? I'm going to minus 5 from both sides. So we compare equation 1 and equation 2. So from equation 1, minus 3m plus r is equal to minus 3, because when 5 crosses the equality, it becomes minus, and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this becomes equation 2. And again, I have 4m plus 6r is equals to 26. Okay, this is clearly a simultaneous equation. We are going to solve for the values of m and for the values of what? R. So to solve this, which method are we going to use? Let's use elimination method so that we can get the answer easy and fast. To use that, I'll multiply equation 1, equation 2 times 4 and equation 3 times 3. The reason why I did that is to make the coefficient to be 12 and 12 here so that I can eliminate m. So the resultant solution will now be 4 times minus 3 is minus 12m. 4 times r is plus 4r. And this equals to minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. We'll multiply this to 3. 3 times this is 12m. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 18r. 3 times 26 is 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. You have 78. So at this stage, we just have to add the two equations. If I add equation 1 and equation 2, this will now minus to be 0. That means m is eliminated. I have it to be 4m plus 4r plus 18r. That will be 22r. And this equals to 12 minus 12 plus 78. It's just the same as 78 minus 12. And that will be 6. That will be 66, right? That's 66. So here we have 66. To get the value of r, you divide through by 22, divide by 22. If you divide by 22, you see that r is equals to 3. So r is 3. We've gotten the value for r. So the next thing is to get the value for what? M. To get the value for m, it's simply to substitute the value for r, 3, in equation 2 so that we can actually find m. Okay? So to find m, we have from equation 2, we have minus 3m plus r is minus 3. So we are putting r to be 3. That means minus 3m plus 3 is equals to minus 3. Okay? Then we subtract 3 from both sides. Minus 3m is equals to minus 3 minus 3. Then minus 3m is equals to minus 6. Then since we have this, divide by minus 3, divide by minus 3. If you did the division, you see that m is equals to 2. So m is 2, r is 3. Let's find the last but not the least, which says that 2 plus r is k. Okay? So that to find the value of k, okay. To find the value for k, we substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 says that 2 plus r is equals to k. Okay? That means we've gotten our r to be 3, right? That means 2 plus 3 is equals to k. 2 plus 3 is 5. That means k is equals to 5. So k is 5. Remember in the problem, they told us to find k, m, r. That means we can say in general, k is equals to 5, m is equals to 2. Okay, are you following? Then r is equals to 3. So these are the required problem or solution to the given problem. Okay? If you found the video interesting, please do well to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you in my next video. Stay tuned and keep enjoying. Bye.